Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use iMessage on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using iMessage on an iPhone allows you to send messages, photos, videos, and more to other Apple devices using Apple's messaging platform. Here's how to use iMessage. Firstly, tap on the Message app on your iPhone's home screen, then go to All Messages. Tap the Compose icon, typically a pencil or a square icon in the top right corner, to start a new message. Type the name, phone number, or email address of the person you want to message. If they have an Apple device and iMessage is enabled, their contact name will show in blue. Tap the text field at the bottom of the screen and start typing your message. Once done, tap the blue or green arrow icon to send your message. Emojis and stickers. Tap the emoji icon to access a wide range of emojis and stickers to enhance your messages. Photos and videos. Tap the camera icon next to the text field to take a photo or video, or choose from your photo library to send. Audio messages. Tap and hold the microphone icon to record and send an audio message. Reactions. Press and hold the message to react with a heart, thumbs up, thumbs down, or laughter. iMessage uses data or Wi-Fi. Regular text message, green bubbles, are sent via SMS, MMS, and may incur charges depending on your carrier plan. By following these steps, you can effectively use iMessage on your iPhone to communicate with friends, family, and colleagues who also use Apple devices. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.